Hi, Mungai Kihara here, and you are watching African Real Estate. Today I'm going to give you a tour of this 3-bedroom all-en-suite bungalow that is located in Ruiru Kimbo. This bungalow is exactly 1.6 kilometers from Thika Superhighway and exactly 400 meters from the tarmac. The print area of this bungalow is 166 square meters, which translates to 1,786 square feet. The price of this bungalow is 8.5 million. The tour of this bungalow starts from the parking area, and it's big enough to accommodate 2 of your cars. Next to this parking, you have this small lawn here that can be used as a resting area, and it extends to a small garden over here. Just have a look, that you can use to plant your vegetables, or maybe you can use it as an orchard. Out here, you have this tap that can be used to irrigate your lawn or your vegetable garden. In addition to that, you have an extra tap here, and a sink that can be used maybe to clean your hands if you are preparing your barbecue outside. If you look very well, you'll notice that this bungalow is surrounded by a perimeter wall, and on top of it, you have an electric fence. Just at the entrance of this bungalow, you have these 2 flowers, and they look beautiful. Let's just hop in and have a look inside. Wow, this is a big living room, and the lighting is awesome. During the day, you are getting your light from these windows. During the night, you are getting your light from this small chandelier, and in addition to that, you have an extra side light. Let's have a look. The chandelier and the side lights. The lighting is awesome. This door leads to the bedroom area, but we still have another door that leads to the bedroom area in the kitchen. Let's move on to the dining area. This is the dining area of this bungalow, and it comes with a wash basin. Next to this dining area, you have the kitchen of this bungalow. And before you get into the kitchen, you have this area that is set aside for your double door fridge. And it's big enough, you can have your fridge and something else. This kitchen is big enough, and it comes with a black granite countertop that blends very well with the theme of the kitchen. Next to it, you have a double sink that comes with a tilting faucet. The sink also have a sieve that makes sure your debris does not get into the sewer system. Next to it, you have an area that is set aside for your cooking stove. The kitchen also comes with upward and downward cabinets. In addition to that, you have several drawers. Just have a look. Your storage here is more than enough. Behind this cabinet, you have the pantry of the kitchen, and it's big enough for your storage. This door leads to the kitchen backyard and the laundry area. Behind this door, you have a socket for your laundry machine, and you have a tap here for your water. Let's get back inside and continue with the tour. From the kitchen, we head into the bedroom area. The bedroom area can be accessed through 2 doors. This door in the kitchen, and we have another door in the living room. Here we have a hallway that leads to the first bedroom here. Next to it, you have the second bedroom, and on my far right, you have the master bedroom. Before we head into the bedroom area, we have the common washroom. Just at the entrance of the common washroom, you have a sink, a towel holder, and a small mirror. This is the view of the common washroom. In here, you have a normal water closet and a tissue holder. Let's head to the bedroom area. This is the first bedroom, and it comes with its washroom next to me. The bedroom also comes with a ceiling to floor closet. And the design is very interesting. Just have a look. This bedroom also comes with a corner window that brings a lot of light to this bedroom. From here, let's head to the bathroom of the first bedroom. In here, you have a sink, a tissue holder, a water closet, a mirror, a towel holder, and a shower. Let's head to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. The difference between the second bedroom and the first bedroom is that this bedroom is quite big compared to that one. You have the second bedroom washroom just next to me, and you have a ceiling to floor closet with an extra partition here, maybe for your shoes. The closet looks similar to the one in the first bedroom. This room also comes with a bigger corner window. Let's have a look at the bathroom. In here, you have a towel holder, a sink, a tissue holder, a water closet, and a shower cubicle. From the second bedroom back to the hallway and to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, and it's way bigger compared to the other two bedrooms. This master bedroom comes with this area that can be used as an office area or the dressing area. The master bedroom also comes with the master bathroom and the master closet. Let's have a look at the master bathroom. Wow, this is a big bathroom. In this bathroom, you have a sink, a tissue holder, and a water closet. You also have a towel holder and a shower cubicle that is big enough for a bathtub. Let's have a look at the master closet. This is the master closet of this master bedroom. And you have two sections for you and your partner. You can use this section and your partner can use the other section. At the center here, you have a dressing area or an area where you can connect your gadgets, maybe your phone or maybe your TV. The room comes with a very big window that brings a lot of light during the day. This room also comes with a dressing mirror. Yeah, and it's big enough. That's all about this bungalow. If you'd like to purchase it, please feel free to call us. If you have not followed us on Instagram and Facebook, click the links below. That's all for today. See you in the next video.